Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change company name in Adobe Sign. So let's get straight into it. Now head over here to the acrobat.adobe.com, and right here at the top you will see here Adobe Home, Firefly, Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, and just Acrobat. So click here on this icon, and then you will see here Home, PDF, Spaces, Document, and Edit. So in this line at the top right corner you will also see your profile picture, so click on it and then head over here to the manager account. This will transform you to another website, as you can see here. Now again, on the right side under your name you will see edit profile. If you click on it, you will be redirected right here to the account. Now you see here the company, profile picture, and then profile name, Adobe screen name, and then company. So right here we will change a name that you can see that it's possible, just like that. Now this update will happen in a few minutes. Probably you need to refresh the page, or maybe close the Google Chrome and then again open up, and you will see your company name updated. So this is basically it, how you can change the company name. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.